Jim Rohn says, successful people do what unsuccessful people are not willing to do. Don't wish it were easier, wish you were better. The reason many people don't succeed is because they find it hard to do what is required of them to find success. Everyone is desirous of success, but it is one thing to be desirous of success, yet another thing to be willing to do the necessary work required to bring that desire to fulfillment. Many think of talent as the requirement for success, but either you are talented at a thing or not. Success in any endeavor is not automatically guaranteed by any kind of conditioning. You have to put in the effort, time, and drive required to move from the point of your desire to the point of your manifestation. This is where planning and goal setting comes into the picture in achieving whatever you want in life. Either it is in your career or any other endeavor, your ability to plan accurately and achieve your plans will determine whether you will succeed or fail. The purpose of goal setting and planning in any endeavor is to improve your concentration and organization, and also to provide the needed guidance, drive, inspiration and motivation towards achieving your vision. In this video, we bring you how to create your personal development plan for motivation in 2023. Welcome to Right Focus Foundation's Africa, RitefocusFA, your one-stop place for inspiration, motivation, personal development and growth. In this video, we bring you tips on how to create your personal development plan for motivation in 2023. Before we proceed, don't forget to like our video, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel if you find this topic useful to you. Thank you. Now, let's get right into our topic. How to create your personal development plan for motivation in 2023. First thing first, what is personal development? Personal development is the process of improving oneself by learning and applying strong, expert-proven and highly effective success principles through conscious habits and activities. It is the process of continuously pursuing personal growth through lifelong learning to enhance the quality of your life so as to achieve your dreams and aspirations. Through personal development, it becomes easier to overcome your limitations to success by acquiring needful skills and abilities that will enhance your creativity, productivity, and profitability. By creating a personal development plan, you are able to define the kind of person you want to be, determine the relevant skills you want to acquire, determine achievements you want to make at certain points in your life. You are also able to design the route you want to take to achieve your most important goals, and define your short-term and long-term goals and plan how you want to achieve those goals. You do not want to belong to that list of people who fail at achieving their goals either in their career, business, or personal lives. This is why you need to realize the areas of personal development where you need to achieve mastery to reach the top of your potentials and opportunities. Having defined what personal development is. What is a personal development plan? A personal development plan, also called PDP, for short, is a document that outlines the useful goals you need to accomplish, skills you need to acquire, programs you need to embrace, disciplines you need to adopt and actions you need to take to boost your personal effectiveness and productivity, social value and relevance and career advancement opportunity. It states the 4 important areas that set the criteria for your success, which are your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats. It also details a comprehensive means by which you want to aggregate these forces together to achieve your success. A personal development plan is a guideline for your life and your future success. An outline that helps you identify and create your goals. A guide that helps you achieve your goals at any given instance. An accountability plan that helps you track your progress along your track to your vision. Why is it important to have a personal development plan? Brian Tracy says, you can accomplish virtually any goal you set for yourself as long as the goal is clear and you persist long enough to accomplish it. Setting a personal development plan has enormous benefits that it can bring to you. Here are some of them. 1. Having a PDP helps you stay focused and motivated in achieving your personal goals. It should be customized to your specific needs and desires, and it should be updated on a regular basis to reflect your current progress. Many people find that having a PDP helps them stay on track and achieve their goals. 2. It enhances the qualities, values and virtues you have within you by bringing clarity to your set of strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats and how all of these can be merged together to boost your ability to succeed. 3. It makes it easier to visualize the possibility of achieving your dreams as each step narrates how you will navigate from one level of development to another. 4. It is a way to harness your many talents and abilities by establishing the aims and goals for what you want to achieve and where you want to be in the short and long term. 5. Having a PDP improves your self-confidence because as you achieve your goals and tick them off, you begin to understand more about yourself and develop more willingness and courage to win. 6. Creating a PDP helps you possess control over your life and time and get good grasp of your future, available opportunities and possibilities. 7. By having a personal development plan, you can live a goal and growth-oriented life which enables you to anticipate and embrace change when necessary. 8. It helps you make better decisions as your written goals always come to memory to guide your path. This improves your chances of success while decreasing the risk of failure. By creating a PDP, you will see that there are no true limitations to what you can achieve with your life. Once you commit to lifelong learning on your life path, your ability to succeed in your activities and advance in your personal and career life will be greatly increased. The little breakthroughs you make will empower you to set bigger goals and achieve them. So, now, I know you're already interested and want to know how to set your personal development plan. How do you set your personal development plan? There are 3 stages of making the personal development plan. The first is to envision the goals you want to achieve, which means you have to identify the suitable potentials, resources, opportunities and threats around you that can be converted to success tools. The second is to highlight areas you need to improve personally to be fit to realize your goals, which means you have to assess your strengths and weaknesses. The third stage is to use the information derived in these first 2 stages to design a plan that will enhance your preparation in tackling your most important tasks for realizing your goals and vision. It also involves taking action towards realizing such planned goals and also learning and adjusting where necessary to ensure that your success is long-lived. Here are some steps you can take to create your personal development plan. Step 1. Reflect on yourself. Reflecting on yourself means to think deeply about what you truly want from life or the endeavor you've chosen to pursue. At this stage, you ask yourself the following questions. What do I want to make out of my life? What should be my most important goals and ambitions? What is currently standing in my way of achieving these goals? Step 2. Write a list of the top 5 or 10 most important goals you would want to achieve. Step 3. Write out the one most important goal among the ones in Step 2 that you want to achieve and why you want to achieve it. This is important because it will be your greatest focus among the others. Writing this out will also help you have a critical understanding of your purpose and stay motivated. Step 4. Write the specific timeline for achieving your goal. You may want to achieve it in 2 weeks, 3 months, or 1 year as you may think it possible. Step 5. Write down your strengths and weaknesses. Write out at least 3 of them and then try to decipher how your strengths can help you achieve the goals and how you will overcome your weaknesses. Step 6. Write down the actions you have to take to reach your goals. Your action may start with something like taking a new course or training or applying for a new role at your workplace. It may also be basically some new activities or routines you should take on daily or remove from your tasks list. Step 7. Evaluate your progress and keep adjusting your preferences to suit your desires. Mark out your successes and failures, note what's working well and is not, and then draft the knowledge and skills you have improved on and some others you need to keep working on. Evaluating your progress helps to remain flexible and dynamic and stick to the top of your game. Alright, we have come to the end of the show. Now, we'd like to hear from you. Our question for today is, what do you think is most responsible for your inability to accomplish your goals? Is it your weaknesses, lack of opportunities, or lack of a concrete plan? Let's hear from you in the comments section. Thank you for watching our video. Remember that, effective leaders focus on continual self-improvement and know that there is no substitute for hard work. When you practice self-discipline by setting a goal, making a plan, and working on it every day, you will enjoy the proceeds of personal development and progress within your career. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to support our works by liking our video, sharing it and subscribing to our channel. Till we see you again in our next video, stay committed to your growth. RitefocusFA, inspiration, motivation, growth.